Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another workout. One dumbbell I have here, 15 kg. We're gonna do full body workout. So let's work. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. 2 more times. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Okay, knees on the ground. Let's do a quick warm up. Inhale first, right leg in front, feel the stretch in the right hip, left knee on the ground, arms on the ground. You just stretch. Feel 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Right knee on the ground, left knee forward, and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch again. Adding upper back. Inhale, open your left arm, flex your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Left, open up, right arm up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Quick down dog. Lengthening for the spine, straight legs. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank position. Let's bend our knees slowly to warm up our knees. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Okay, the first one, what we're gonna do goblet squats. Goblet squats with deadlift. Nice and smooth. You should be familiar with this. We're gonna do with 12 together. So 1 squat, 1 deadlift counts as 1. Grab. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Release. Not bad. The next one, we're gonna do curtsy lunge with moving towards the side with a simple lunge. So we're gonna start from the left leg. Dumbbell will be on the left side. We're gonna do towards the right side first. Down, lunge, and shoulder press, and back. Down, side, and shoulder press. We're gonna do 10 on each leg. Inhale first deeply. Get ready. Up. Left leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Not bad. Same 10th on another side. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Grab, curtsy, lunge, and shoulder press. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Not bad. This was the second one. The third one will be, we're gonna do sumo squats with curls. So from here, we're gonna do side sumo squat, we're gonna curl, and we're gonna step towards the right. And then left. Side sumo squat, curl, and then towards the left. Totally right, left, 12. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Starting towards the right side. And nice and smooth, rotate your legs outside, get ready. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and down. Not bad. This was round 1. We have 2 more rounds to go. Nice and smooth, breathe in between, full body hitting, really good thing. After that, maybe we're gonna add some body weight, core, lower back. Let's see how we're gonna feel. Inhale first, exhale. Here we go. Goblet squats with remaining deadlifts. 12. Nice and smooth. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Not bad. Breathe, rest a little bit. We're gonna have curtsy with lunge together and with shoulder press. 10 on each side. Nice, smooth, easy. Try to breathe in between more. If you want to rest in between more, just take your time. If you feel that 10 or 12 reps is quite difficult for you, you can keep it like lower, 6 at least 6 reps, and then keep moving forward. Okay, left leg, inhale, grab, up. Here we go, left leg towards the side, curtsy first, press, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, release. Inhale deeply first, then exhale. Okay, same thing on the right leg. Here we go, grab. Let's work. 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Not bad. Side sumo squat with curls. Not bad. Moving. Tricep squat. Really stable. Keep your knees wide open. Feel the stretch in the hip when you are squatting down. Make sure you control really good your hip joints, like stable. Don't go soft. Okay, 12. Left, right. Inhale. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Awesome. 1 more round to go. Not bad. Sun is hitting, weather is good. Like it, enjoy it. Woo. Almost November and it's great. Weather is amazing. It's not so hot, but at the same time I can really enjoy working out outside. Here we go. Squats with deadlifts. 12. Inhale. Let's work. 12. 2, 3, 4. Drive the hip back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Not bad. Quick morning workout. I think the most important is being consistent, stay in the game, practice. You should not go always heavy. Maybe like sometimes it's all about just going through any workout instead of resting or complaining about something. Body day by day can feel different, so it's very normal that maybe you feel that you want to go heavy, but then when you start to work out, you understand that your body will not allow you today, so you can just go through any workout, cut the weight and just enjoy. Here we go. Cardio with lunge, 10 on each side. Let's work. And left. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Awesome. Release. Deep inhale. Then exhale. Okay. Breathe. Enjoy. Take your time. Right arm, right leg. Not bad. Here we go. Exhale. up. Here we go, right leg back. Push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Woo. Not bad. Feeling strong. Sumo squat with curls, 12, and maybe we're gonna do some core conditioning, and we're done. Quick, efficient. Here we go. Get ready. Towards the right side first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Nice. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, plank position. We're gonna finish with nice and small thing. We're gonna have plank. We're gonna move the dumbbell right, left, 20. Engage our core, lower back. Keep the lower back straight, tight. Everything should be under your control. Plank position. Engage your core, lower back. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Push. 12. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Inhale deeply. Exhale, go to down dog and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Way forward, upper facing dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Awesome, my friends. Well done. Thank you. Quick, efficient workout. Take care of yourself. Don't forget, your body's your clock. Peace out.